Hello all. So I'm on this 2012 Toyota Corolla and I got to change the brakes. I thought I'd show you a video how you could do it. It's really easy to do actually. Here's the brakes right here. First you got to get the tire off obviously and get it jacked up. Here's your brake pads inside of here. You got one on each side. And all you're going to need is a 14 socket or ratchet. Screwdriver's good. And something to squeeze the caliper in. I use this C-clamp. So basically you just got two bolts, one right here, one right here. You just got to pop those off and then the caliper will come off and you can get to the brake pads. So I'm gonna go and pop these two bolts off real fast and I'll be right back. Okay, so I popped those two bolts out right here and right here. Once you do that, this whole caliper will come out. You can see, you can just hang it over, let it hang gently. You don't want to go too far. And just let it hang real easy right there so that it doesn't mess up this line or anything. Just and here's the brake pads right inside of here, one there. So we just want to push them out here. I'm gonna do one at a time. So there's one brake pad. Depending on the type of brake pads you get, it might come with these little brackets. The ones I got didn't, so I'm gonna have to use the old ones. Yeah, depending on the brake pad manufacturer. So I'm just gonna match these up to here, pop this off. This one will just pop out this way. These just come out this way and put them on, these old ones. So I'll be right back. Okay, I just swapped these little metal brackets over to the new ones. Like I said, these you might get some, they might come with what you have, and you might not even really need them. You might be able to just slide them in without them, but I'm gonna go ahead and use these old ones. And then I'm just gonna slide it in. I'm gonna be careful not to touch the front of these brake pads with any grease or anything. And so there's that new one's in there, so I just gotta get this back one out. And so again, I need to swap over these brackets real fast. You can see these little things. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the brackets on the new one. I just need to slide it in. Just line it up there. There it is, it just snaps in. Just has those little things, you just guide it in and it snaps right in. So both of these brake pads are in. We need to get the caliper on, but it'll be out too far right here. So we need to squeeze it together. So that's what I use this C-clamp for. I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so this is kind of hard to do with just one hand and hold the phone, but basically I just use this C-clamp. It goes up inside this caliper. This needs to squeeze up and in. It's not hard to do, really. It's pretty easy. But I just use one of these C-clamps, come off the top and go inside. Hopefully you can see this. Okay, so I squeeze it together and I squeeze it all the way up and in. One thing though, if your brake fluid is really full, it might come out the top reservoir, something to keep an eye on. But basically, you just want to squeeze this until it's till it's about even with the caliper, and then ready to take it off. And then once you're done squeezing it together, you just slide it on. You gotta squeeze in these bolt holders a little bit. And then you just put your bolts back in. And one thing about these bolts is you don't want to over tighten them too much because they'll strip out. They're really just kind of holders, so don't put too much torque on them. Just get them tight, but don't start cranking on them. They don't need to be cranked on. You can look up the torque if you're worried about it, but just get them in there kind of tight, and that's basically it. So that's basically how to change out the brake pads, or how I do on a 2012 Toyota Corolla.